Hello guys. Do you want to switch the currencies in your store based on location? Let's check it out how to do this with Bucks. For that, we need to enable auto currency switch option, which is in our settings. So just go to the settings and right here you can see an option called auto currency switch. Just turn it on and click on the save button. Let's check how this works in your store. Go to the store and just refreshing the page. See how it works? I'm from India and currency is showing as INR. So this is how we can enable the currencies based on location. So sometimes or additionally, you don't want to show this currency box in your store and still you want to do the conversion based on location. That's also possible with Wix. That is, you can hide this currency box, which is right there in the display option. Yes, go to the currency selector box option. You can turn it off from both desktop and mobile. And don't forget to save the settings. It's done. So go back to the store. Let's refresh it. See, the currency box is go. Let's check whether it is converting. Yes, it's converting based on location. So this is how we switch the currency based on location without the currency box. Hope this video helps you. If you need any clarification regarding this, please connect with us. Thank you.